So you guys, welcome to my I'm moving right now, but so like, this is the new controller I got. You see how it looks like? It's so nice. And this is like basically the old controller I have. I'm still keeping this controller because like, I've no one to give it to. I'll just keep it for myself just in case this one gets broken. So like, yeah, so here, so let's hop into the video. We're back, so we're gonna open it. But how are we gonna open it? So by the way, oh yeah, my sister is in the background, but I'm so sorry that she can't show her face. But alright, so like, you go from here. I've never unboxed a PS4 controller before, never ever. So like, this is the first time ever. Okay, first of all, I have to be careful with it. Oh, sorry. Can you help me?
Okay.
Please? Thank you. I'm being rude. I'm sorry if I'm being... Oh my god. Sorry.
Alright.
No, put it over there. This is so people can see, all the audience can see it. So hard. I'm sorry.
Oh, the sticky tape on it.
Oh, the stickers have, it's very lightly. I'm just gonna show you this controller while she's opening it. It's like alright, but like I like the red one more. So like, yeah, I don't really like the blue one, but there's no like. So I got the blue one because like there's no more red one, no more red controllers. Now can I please open the rest? Or you can actually open. Actually, you hold it and I'll open it. Thank you, sister. Holy, first time ever, guys. I got it. Oh my god. This is actually so scary. Oh. It is actually in there. Welcome to the future of gaming. Whoa. Feels so nice. Wow, I love this controller. So we're gonna test it out right now. But first thing I have to do this. And by the way, this is don't mind me. This is like an old TV. And don't mind the background. Do not mind the background. So like, yeah. I have to get this cable charger. Put this right here. Right in. Got it. Now it's charging. I'm turning it on for the first time ever, guys. I got it yesterday, so guys. So like, please respect it because I don't know. This is actually cool. Oh, I need to hold it for a bit. I do know how to connect it. Guys, we'll be right back, and yeah, I'm sorry for cutting out the video. It cut out by accident. So like, we'll be right back. Guys, we actually finally made it. We actually like finally done it. So like, hope you guys enjoy. I just need to delete all of this. But the response of this time, bro, it's so quick. It's actually so quick. The buttons, the whole controller feels so nice. I'm gonna log into Fortnite because like my Rocket League is locked. Don't know why, but alright. And yeah, so like, look at this nice controller. Just look at that. Look how it looks like from out of the box. It looks so nice and clean. If I just do that, no dust, not a single dust right here, see? Nothing. By the way, we just hold on. Show them the box, please. See how it looks like from the outside. It looks so nice. But I had to clean up the dust. Like me and my dad had to clean up all the dust here so I can actually unbox this. So like let's I don't know how it works. So the dust goes inside the controller, and then after that it erects the controller. When the dust goes inside the controller, it erects it. So it makes it wrecked. It makes your controller get wrecked. Alright? So like yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy your day and see you next video. Probably in like months and months.